You have a brand new client that just booked with you for a facial treatment. Now, question, at what point is that client wondering if they made a right choice by going with you? A lot of times I speak to so many estheticians out there. A lot of times the estheticians think, well, hey, they're going to judge me based on the results I give them. They're going to judge my business based on how they feel after the facial treatment. But let me share with you why that is incorrect and why they might be judging you even before they met you. Oh, what's up? This is your boy Wick. Wicked, 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 wicked. Shut up. Here's the deal. I'm going to share with you something that might blow your mind and something hopefully that not too many have thought of. So the goal of this, if you go, Wick, who the heck are you? Why in God's green earth are you giving us information? And what are you about? I am here for one reason only, to help you, the esthetician, make money by giving you easily, simply, freely executable ideas, tips, and tricks to help make you more money. That's it. So I'm gonna give it to you. Now it depends on what you're gonna do with it. All right, here's the deal, right? And I want y'all to think about this. There is something called buyer's remorse. Do you know what that? Do you know what that is? Buyer's remorse. It's when someone buys something, they're like, yeah, I don't know, should I? I don't know if I want them to. And some of y'all might have experienced this, because what will happen is a brand new client will book and then they'll no show. They'll book and then they'll cancel at the last minute. So that is kind of like they'll do that. The reason why, and just follow me on this, right? Like I'm telling you, this business, sales, and marketing, it's not checkers, it's chess. I want you to think more advanced. I want you to think more than one step. So a brand new client books with you, and you're like, cool, cool, cool. You got your Glass Genius, you got your Square, you got your whatever software that will send them that reminder, that email reminder, the text reminder, right? I think that's how most people do it. But that buyer's remorse hits fast. And so as soon as that client books, that does that booking, whatever, their mind starts wandering, etc. So when clients actually start judging your business is from the minute they book with you. So if their appointment isn't for another week or 2 weeks, that gives them all that time to wonder if they made the right choice. You know what? So far, God, I gotta get ready for that. God, I gotta do this. The excuses start doing. So this is why I want you to think of this way. Clients judge you the minute they book, not the minute they show up, not the minute they get the facial. Don't think you have all that time to impress your client. You, as an esthetician, you as somebody that hopefully wants to differentiate yourself and your business from the gazillions of estheticians out there, is you need to differentiate it the minute they book, not when they show up. How do you do that? And that's what I'm going to share with you today. So here's the dealio. A couple quick ideas. As soon as a client books, they're like, "Oh my God, I don't know if I want to go." Da, da, da. You want to give them the good vibes right then and there. A couple of things that I have done in the past for some of my other businesses that have worked amazingly well is, one, even before they came to me, even before they gave me the opportunity to again, my businesses are different. I'm not an esthetician, but I'm just gonna speak in esthetician terms. Like, even before they came to me, what I would do is send them a thank you card. Hey, that same day they booked, I would send them a thank you card, because in your city, your local city, the mail, if you get it out fast enough, the client will actually get it the next day, if not the next day, the day after, right? And and say, hey, thank you so much for booking. I am so excited to meet you. I am going to have all the room ready for you. I am excited, elated, energized to meet you, my brand new client, right? Blah, blah, blah. And you might ask some questions like, hey, click this link, or send me a quick email or text. Let me know what some of your concerns are so I can be ready and prepared for you. So I would send them a thank you card before they even dropped a dime on me or came to see me. I use this for my government clients before they gave me an opportunity, I would say, hey, thank you so much for even speaking with me. Thank you so much for anything. And I look forward to this and da 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 da. Right? So I would do that. Another thing I would advise you estheticians, you to do, right, is send them a thank you video. Grab your freaking phone, because technology is grand and amazing. Is be like, Sarah, I saw you recently just booked with me. I am so excited, energized, elated. As you can tell, I've rehearsed this. Excited, energized. I use that all the time just because it flows well. You can use it too. Take my words, girl. I'm here for you. And just to let you know, we are located at blah 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 at the corner of 5th and Main, right across the street from Target. And what you can expect when you come here is, we're gonna sit down, and you go over what, like, of the little bit of the. Don't go into crazy depth. Make it short, sweet, to the point. We're gonna sit down, go over your skin. We're gonna do a quick little consult, get an idea of what's going on, so I can get you the results that you want to make your skin so beautiful that even you'll be like, whoa, look at me, right? Whatever, right? So I would do a quick video and text it to them. Again, right? You don't want that buyer's remorse to sit in. You want that person in the back of their mind to feel and logically assess they made the right choice. Right? So buyer's remorse is an emotional response. So their emotions saying, okay, da da da, and they're like, I don't want to go. You need to give them the logical reasons of why this was a good choice, why you're excited to see them, why you are the one and only esthetician to help them. Does that make sense? Cool. Other things I do. How can I explain it? There is something called the lifetime value of a client. So imagine that this one client, brand new client, you don't know, you don't met, right? That they could be a one-hitter quitter, right? Or they can get you past the wonder years. They could be there for years. And I always assume that if a client comes to me, they're going to be with me for a while. And if, let's just say, they spend $100 for a facial, they come in once a month, right? That is $1,200 for a year, and they stick with you for 3 years. That's $3,600, right? That's not including upsells, product, retail, et cetera, et cetera. So at a minimum, can we just say a client is worth about $4,000 over 3 years, right? Cool. I want you to think that way. If that client is worth $4 freaking grand to you, think long term, not short sprint. Then I do extra because I don't mind giving $5 to make $4 grand. Right? So I would also, like, for example, when I send them that thank you card, I might even send them a little gift. I might send them like a $5 Starbucks gift card. I got that written down. I might send them something like a headband, right? So when they do their AM PM skincare routine, so their hair is not out. Of course, you know me. I got problem. I don't need a headband, but you might. Your client might. Wick, don't need a headband. Just saying, right? Unless it mysteriously grows out, which it might one day. You'll know what's up, right? Or whatever. Or it doesn't have to be that. You can create something like an easy bookmarker that has their AM PM skincare routine. Hey, here's a cheat sheet, a simple cheat sheet on AM PM skincare routine. Cleanse, tone, exfoliate every other day, serum, blah 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 blah, right? There you go. So include something with it as like a free gift, and again, you're building value. You're making this person feel that they made the right choice. And what that's going to do is a couple things. One, you're going to make your client happy. Two, nobody is doing this, so you're going to instantly differentiate yourself from every other SD in your hood. Three, logically, that person saying, I made the right choice. Look at this person, how much they're already taking care of me, and I haven't even met them yet. Right? So understand this. Your clients do not start judging you and your business when a new client, if someone already knows you, they already know you, right? New client, they don't start judging you when they come see you. They judge you from the minute, the second they book. What happens from that point? The longer the time between them booking and them seeing you is the longer time something can go wrong, they'll reconsider or they'll just cancel from you. Just saying, right? So use this information, use this to logically help your client understand you are the right choice. You do the extra to ensure the extra, and you know what what'll happen? You will make the extra. Uh, uh. Make it, don't break it. Took your mama 9 months to make it. Come on, come on. All right, be amazing because it pays so well. Don't be afraid to do the extra. I'm telling you, do the extra, make the extra. And cheesy girl, be the extra. Woo woo. All right, be amazing because it pays oh so well. Peace.